Hello everyone. In this part 12 of trigonometric functions, we will understand sine and cosine formulae with solutions of some questions. What is the sine rule? The sides of a triangle are proportional to the sines of angles opposite to them. That is, in a triangle ABC, A upon sine A is equals to B upon sine B is equals to C upon sine C. Now, this triangle may be of any type. It may be acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, or right angle triangle. But I'll give the explanation of proof on the basis of acute angle triangle only. If in exam it is coming for proof, then you have to do on the basis of acute angle triangle. Now, to do the proof of this thing, first of all we will understand if we have any acute angle triangle ABC, then opposite to A angle we have to take side A, which is represented by small a. Opposite to angle B we have to take side B, and opposite to angle C we have to take side C. This is the concept in this chapter. Now to do the proof of this thing, first of all we will draw the perpendicular AD on BC. So in triangle ABC, draw AD perpendicular on BC. Now once we will draw the AD perpendicular on BC, now in right angle triangle ADB, what is this? Sine B is equals to AD upon C. It means AD is equals to C sine B. This is the one part. Now in triangle ADC, but we have sine C is equals to AD upon B. It means AD upon B. It implies that AD is equals to B sine C. Therefore, from these two parts, it implies that C sine B is equals to B sine C. It means C upon sine C is equals to B upon sine B. This is the equation number 1. Similarly, we can prove. Similarly, if BE is perpendicular on AC, if B is perpendicular on AC, then easily we can prove. Look at this thing. If this were AD, then A was not coming. Now, if this is BE, then B will not come. It means what will come? A upon sine A is equals to C upon sine C. This is the equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, what we are getting? A upon sine A is equals to B upon sine B is equals to C upon sine C. Sometimes anybody can use this rule in this respect also. Also we can write down sine A upon A is equals to sine B upon B is equals to sine C upon C. So these are the forms for this part. And this is the proof. If proof will come, then you have to do in this way. And we have to remember this rule, because on the basis of this, we are going to do so many questions. Now, second is cosine rule. What is this cosine rule? In any triangle ABC, cos A is equals to, if this is cos A, B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Cos B, then C square plus A square minus B square upon 2CA. And cos C is equals to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Now we will do the proof of any one, and rest of all we will write down similarly. So what is the cosine rule? What we have to do? First of all, we will take triangle ABC. This is the acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle ABC, same thing, draw AD perpendicular on BC. In triangle ABC, draw AD perpendicular on BC. Once we will do this thing, now look at this thing. Because of this side A, this side B, this side C. Now, to do the proof of this thing, in right angle triangle ADC, look at this thing. Let us suppose this side is H. Now in right angle triangle ADC, B square is equals to H square plus DC square. Now split this DC. H square plus DC means BC minus BD whole square. It means B square is equals to H square plus BC square plus BD square. And what is this? Minus 2BC into BD. Now look at this thing. We have to find out the value of BD also. And how will we find out the value of BD? Let us suppose this, first of all, B square is equals to H square. Whatever values we know, we will put. BC means A square. BC means A, it means BC square means A square plus BD square, because BD we don't know, minus 2. What is BC? A, and BD is as such. Let us suppose this is the equation number 1. Now in right angle triangle ADB, but we have cos B is equals to, cos means base, it means BD upon C. It means BD is equals to C cos B. BD is equals to C cos B. Now B square is equals to H square plus A square. We are not getting any result. Now for BD we have to make the another arrangement, because BD is not removing anyhow. Now we will combine this thing in this part, H square plus BD square, and this is plus A square minus 2A. Substitute the value of BD, but this become C cos B. Now B square is equals to H square plus BD square. What is providing? C square. It means C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. Here you will write down, because in right angle triangle ADB, but we are observing BD H square plus BD square is equals to C square. Therefore we can say cos B is equals to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2AC. And similarly we can write down this thing, that cos A is equals to this and cos B is equals to this. So this is the way to do the proof. And if in exam it is coming, you can do in this way. Now let's start with some question, with question number 1. Now in question number 1, in a triangle ABC, if A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, sin A is equals to 2 by 3, find angle B. Now first of all you will say by sine rule. By sine rule, what is this? We have A upon sine A is equals to B upon sine B is equals to C upon sine C. Now because we have to do the connection with A and B only, it implies that A upon sine A is equals to B upon sine B. Now substitute the value. What is the A? A is 2. Sine A is given. What is sine A? 2 upon 3. This is B. What is B? B is 3 sine B. It means after doing the calculation, sine B is equals to 1. It means sine B is equals to sine pi by 2. It means B is equals to 90 degree. This is the way to do the very small question which is related for 1 mark. Now to do the other types of question, this identity will play important role. As we know that sine square A minus sine square B is equals to sine A plus B into sine A minus B. Some more identities we have to use, which I had explained in last videos. Now look at this thing. Question number 2. In any triangle ABC, prove that this thing. So what is, first of all we will take left hand side, A sine B minus C plus B sine C minus A plus C sine A minus B. We have this part. Now you will say by sine rule. By sine rule, but we have A upon sine A is equals to B upon sine B is equals to C upon sine C. Now let us suppose this is equals to K. It implies that A is equals to K sine A, B is equals to K sine B. We have, whenever we are applying to do the proof of this, we have to use like that only, K sine B. C is equals to K sine C. Now in left hand side, substitute the values of this thing. It means K sine A sine B minus C plus K sine B sin C minus A plus K sin C sin A minus B. Now look at this thing. In triangle ABC, we have already know that A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. It means A is equals to 180 minus angle B plus angle C. It means sin A is equals to sin 180 minus angle B plus angle C. Sin 180 minus theta means sin theta. It means directly we can write down B plus C. So in this way sin A की वैल्यू हम ये रखेंगे, sin B की in this respect C plus A, sin C plus sin C A plus B. So we are going to put the value, take K common. Sin A means sin B plus C. Sin B minus C is already there. Then plus sin B means sin C plus A. Sin C minus A is already there. Plus sin C means A plus B. Sin A minus B. Now, as we know that sin A plus B into sin A minus B means sin square A minus sin square B. So this is sin square B minus sin square C plus sin square C minus sin square A plus sin square A minus sin square B. Now everything will cancel out. K into 0, it means 0. So this is the way to do the proof of this type of questions. Now because we are doing practice, we have to show this part also. For one angle it is sufficient. Rest of all you can do on the basis of this part. In other questions, now input the values directly by sine rule. We are not going to do this thing. Now let's start to do with the solution of question number 3. Now look at this thing. In question number 3, we have to prove in any triangle ABC this part. So this is the left hand side. Now we know very well A is equals to K sin A. So directly we will write down by sine rule K square sin square A sin B plus C. This is plus upon sin B plus sin C. This is K square sin square B sin C minus A upon sin C plus sin A. This is plus K square sin square C sin A minus B. And what is this? Sin A plus sin B. Here you have to mention the reason by sine rule. By sine rule we have A upon sin A is equals to B upon sin B is equals to C upon sin C is equals to K. So this is by sine rule, you have already mentioned, that's why this term is coming. Now look at this thing, what we are going to do, K square is common. Sin A, one sine we are splitting, sin B plus C, and one sin A, whatever is this sin A, we are writing sin 180 minus B 180 minus this become B plus C. So in this part, this is the angle B minus C. Otherwise it is not possible to solve this question. So this is B minus C. By mistake we mentioned this thing. So this is 180 minus B plus C in this triangle ABC. Now this is sin B plus sin C. So this is the one part. Now look at this thing. On the basis of this part, other terms are also this, because in a triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. Now here sin 180 minus theta means sin theta. It means sin B plus C. Sin B minus C, sin B plus C. It means this become sin square B minus sin square C. So I am writing this portion directly, K square, but this becomes sin A, and this is sin square B minus sin square C, and upon sin B plus sin C. In the same way, what is the other part? Sin B, and this is sin square C minus sin square A, and upon what is this thing? Sin C plus sin A, and plus what is the third term? Now third term is this. Now a square minus b square, sin b minus sin c, sin b plus sin c. Denominator term will cancel out each part. So what will be left? K square sin a, sin b plus sin c, sin b minus sin c plus sin b, sin c minus sin a plus sin c, sin a minus sin b. Once we will do the multiplication, it will cancel out. It means k square into 0, what will come? 0. So this is the way to do this type of questions. Do the practice of other questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.